Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show Python basics image processing tutorial. So we can start with the read image. So here we are doing with CV2 only library. So first we have to import the CV2 library and then we can run the code. And then in order to read the image I'm just using the basic Python uh, default read function by using cv2. So to call the image I'm just calling it as image img, and then I'm just using the Python function like cv2.imread, and in this I'm just calling the image. In the D folder in the D folder I'm already having an image like download.jpg, so just I'm calling that. Then just I have to show this. I'm just in this code I'm just reading the image and showing the image. So in the windows we can just click it as im image. So to give the windows a name like im image, and then I'm just calling the image img folder which we have used to save the image folder. So just then we can give run. So now you can see the a new folder will be open, and in this now it's not responding. So here as a separate folder only the image will be viewing. If you no need as a separate folder, you have to show here itself, means you can use the plot function which I'll be showing in the next demos. So this all the videos regarding that how to read an image in Python using CV2 library function. So in our next video, we can see how to resize an image using matplot library function. Thank you.